Hello and welcome to our green oasis here at the Outdoor School Bangkok, OSB. We would love to invite you to our upcoming bamboo workshop where we will be taking advantage of this wonderful material. Our bamboo workshops are aimed at all practitioners that are working with creative and investigative children, and of course those who love the outdoors. The benefits of bamboo are endless. Our children are able to explore their creative design as well as being sustainable and promoting their eco-warrior mindset. Here is a fantastic structure the children designed this year. They will use it for a multitude of reasons, and they've decided to grow their plants and vegetables on the outside, offering a full project-based learning opportunity. Our workshops are designed for all practitioners, and we are hoping that you're going to take the skills that we explore here and lead them into promoting your children's independent bamboo skills. Last year, our children researched and designed these fantastic bamboo structures. Upon completion, they decided to donate their domes to our local community, hitting their UN Sustainable Development Goals of providing sustainable housing. This is purposeful learning at its best. We can't really think of any better ways for children to explore their purposeful learning with such purposeful experience. We look forward to welcoming you here for our upcoming bamboo workshop where we can all get creative and enjoy this wonderful resource of a material.